Good morning, family and students. Welcome back to the week after spring break. This week, I'm going to ask that students, if you can, log into Schoology on Monday at some point so that you can see what your assignments are for the week. I'm not going to add any more for the week. I'm going to get them all posted on Monday so you can see exactly what the requirements are. I'm still in the middle of figuring out how to instruct you to have to return them or to turn them in. I have a document that I think will help with that. So I think for this week, the goal is to, one, be able to get on Schoology, access the assignments, find a way to complete the assignments, and then hopefully by the end of the week, we'll be able to submit some assignments. More of that to come later. But in case you haven't gotten on Schoology yet, I want to show you how we're doing it. So the page right here, you're familiar with the seattleschools.org page. And then there's this bar right here that says students. So if you click on this and you go down to the third option, Schoology, it'll take you to that Schoology page. However, that is, that's my page. So my page is going to look a little different than yours. If you click on students and you click on Schoology and it takes you to a sign in page rather than just the courses page, well, that's because you haven't signed into Schoology yet. You'll have to log in your child's email address and password, which if you don't have that, it is in an email I sent, or let me know, text me or email me and I'll get you that information. However, once that gets logged in, you'll be able to go into your Schoology page. So it'll look like this. Have them go over here to courses. And when you go to courses, you'll see the courses. Now I put my picture, my Bitmoji on all the courses that I'm going to be uploading in. So I don't exactly know what the student page looks like, but I know there is one like over here. We have the reading intervention. I'm not going to be posting in that. So if you see my emoji face, then that means I've posted in one of those. So if you go into one of these, let's go into Homeroom. So mine obviously is going to look a little different. You won't see any of these folders. You'll just see the ones that I post. So you can see in bright colors I posted under these 2 weeks so far. So your student or your child, will go into the week in which it is and be able to access the information and the assignments in there. So in Homeroom, I add things, just general things. They don't really necessarily fall under a discipline. This one here is how salmon fry get what they need. And it's actually a video that Miss McKeag made. So students can do that. We'll go back to courses here. If you go to English LA, English ELA covers both reading and writing. So in this, you'll see 2 folders, one for writing and one for reading. There are going to be yellow folders for this week for each of these subjects. So you'll see in reading and in writing, there will be assignments in there. There will also, there's also one in social studies, science, and if you go to math, math is kind of the subject I wanted to focus on for students this week. I have assignments in math, and this is not necessarily 2 assignments. This one that says right here, extra instruction, that is the link you can go to if you're finding yourself or your child is struggling with Module 4, Lesson 7. If you go in here, I put a sequence of how I would like you to try and use the math information or assignment. So you'll see Monday, it says first module. This is the first thing I want you to do. Module 4, Lesson 7 application problem. So today I'm asking that the kids do this one right here. This is the application problem. They don't have to print it out. If they want to, they can, and then do the solving for that. Now, after they're done doing that, Tuesday, I want to meet with them on Teams. So it says, bring your application problem to our Teams meeting. And I want to hold that Tuesday, April 21st at 2 p.m. Now, how you get into this Teams meeting is you're going to have to, on the student account, when you go into math, you'll see over here on upcoming, I put some meetings over here, or these are my invitations to meet. So module 4 lesson, no, sorry, right here. The calendar image says module 4 lesson 7 application problem check-in. So if they do their application problem on Monday, we can check in at 2 o'clock, and all the student has to do to come to this meeting is to press on that link. It's going to give them a code. They can join by phone, or you can just press on this link right here. That'll take you to this screen that'll say join the meeting, which if you have a device that has a camera on it, you'll be able to join with your face as well. And then it will say, you'll just go to open Microsoft Teams, and then you'll be put into the meeting. So twice I'm asking, oops, where are we at? So twice I'm asking for students to come and meet me in Teams this week. The first one is to review the application problem on Tuesday, and it gives you the date right here, 21st. And then the last one is on Friday, the 24th. This is just in case there were problems, struggles with the homework. This isn't for everybody to check in. This is only for people that found difficulty with the math or got stuck on certain problems and wanted to talk about it together. So you can come join Friday only if you need to, okay, or want to, it's fine. Okay, so back to our assignments for the week. Wednesday is when I will have them watch the concept development video. It says I uploaded a video where I taught lesson 7, and that is right here where it says concept development. And sometime, what does it say? There are 5 questions. Okay, the kids always like to know how many. And then Thursday, I'm asking that they do M4L7, that's Module 4, Lesson 7 homework. So that's the one, excuse me, the PDF right here that just says homework. And then Friday is when we're going to have our meeting. And there's also additional links. For example, this video right here will take you to somebody who's solving some of the problems in the homework that you can watch and see if that helps. More homework help. I think there's 2 videos. This is one down here that you can see. And then just the paper. So there's some resources to help you with that. And like I said, if that's not enough, you can come back to the Module 4 Lesson 7 extra instruction. There's some slides and another video, a Learn Zillion video that you can also watch to help with that same lesson. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Let me know. There will be one new assignment in each of the folders with my Bitmoji on it every Monday. So Mondays are a good day to check. If you can't get to it Monday, Tuesdays are fine as well. Okay, have a great week, and I will see you, nope, not see you, talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye.